Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope the exam was very nice, your half yearly exam, and I am confident that you will score a very good marks. So students, we are almost in the midway of the session. So we are going to start the second part, that is unit 2, and then our annual part. So here I am going to start the chapter playing with numbers from class 8 mathematics. Now, playing with number means we have to find numbers like 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers in a different way. Here we are going to use a certain process, or you can say that a certain rule to find a 2-digit number. In general, a 2-digit number is always represented as 10x plus y. Like, so our topic is playing with number. And here we are going to deal with 2-digit number. So you can see a 2-digit number has two places, the ones place and the tens place. Generally, a 2-digit number, the unit digit is taken as, the tens digit is taken as A and the unit digit as B. So A and B are the digits. A is the tens digit and B is the unit digit. And the 2-digit number is taken as 10A plus B. See here, always you will take the 2-digit number as 10A plus B, or you can take 10x plus y also. We can take x and y also. So 10th digit is x and the 1st digit is y. In that case, our 2-digit number will become 10x plus y. The 10th digit is multiplied with the place, that is why 10x, and the 1st digit is multiplied with this place, that is 1. So 1y is 1. 1y is y. Okay. So in this way, we have to write a 2-digit number, where the digits are either A or B, A and B, or X and Y. Okay, so let us go through one example. Let me tell you one question and how it is solved. In the question it is given that in a 2-digit number, the digit at the unit place is 4 times the digit at the tens place, and the sum of the digits is 10. We have to find the 2-digit number. Now the first condition is given, the digit at the units place is 4 times the digit at the tens place. Let the digit at the tens place be x. Okay, therefore the digit at the unit place or ones place equals to, it will be 4x. It is given in the question. It is given in the question. So here the tens digit is x and the ones digit is 4x. Therefore the original 2-digit number, so original 2-digit number will be 10 into x plus 4x, that is 10x plus 4x. Okay, so we can write 14x also. Done. Now the second condition says that the sum of the digits is 10. Sum of the digits means x and 4x, these are the digits. So sum of the digits equals to x plus 4x equals to 5x, and it is given that the sum is 10. Sum of the digit is 10. So accordingly we can write, according to the question we can write 5x equals to 10, which implies x is equals to 2. So we can put the value of 2 here to get the original 2-digit number, or we can also do it in different way. That is the tens digit. We have taken the tens digit as x and ones digit as 4x. So if x is 2, then tens digit is 2 and the ones digit is 4 into 2, that is 8. So the required number is 28. Therefore the required number equals to 14x means 14 into 2, we can write 28. This is one way, and the other way we can also take the tens digit as 2 and the ones digit as 4 into 2, that is 8. So our 2-digit number will become 28. We can do in both way. Got it? Okay, very good. So this was very easy sum. Now let me go to the next one. The next question is, the unit digit of a 2-digit number is 3. The unit digit is 3 and 7 times the sum of the digit is the number itself. Okay. So unit digit is 3. I can take the tens digit as x. So here I am taking the digit at the tens place as x. It is given in the question that the digit at the units place is 3. It is given in the question. The digit at the units place is 3 and I have taken the digit at the tens place as x. Now see, if this is the ones place, that is unit place, and the tens place, unit digit is 3, tens digit I have taken as x. So what is the original 2-digit number? It will be 10x plus 3. Therefore original 2-digit number equals to 10x plus 3. Done. Now this is the first condition. The second condition says that 7 times the sum of the digit is the number itself. So sum of the digits equals to x plus 3. These are the digits. Sum of the digits equals to x plus 3. It is given in the question. 7 times the sum of the digit is the number itself. Okay. 7 times the sum of the digits. So according to the question, 7 times the sum of the digits is equal to the number itself. What is the number itself? That is 10x plus 3. 10x plus 3. Now let us solve this. So 7x plus 21 is equals to 10x plus 3. So 10x will come to this side. 7x minus 10x equals to this 3 minus 21. That is minus 3x equals to minus 18. Minus minus will be cancelled. So we will get x as 6. So we have got the tens digit as 6. So if we put 6 here, then what will be the number of 10? 10 into 6 plus 3, that is 60 plus 3, that is 63. Therefore, the required 2-digit number equals to 10x plus 3. In place of x, I am putting 6. 10 into 6 plus 3, that is 60 plus 3, or we can say it is 63. So this is the required 2-digit number. Understood all of you? Okay. So that was also not so hard. It is also very easy sum. Next, let us go to the next question. In a two-digit number, the digit at the unit place uh, the digit at the unit place is double the digit at the tens place. The number exceeds the sum of the digits by 18. The number exceeds the sum of the digits by 18. So here it is given in the question that the digit at the unit place is double the digit at the tens place. So if I am taking the tens place and the unit at the digit at the tens place as x, then the digit at the ones place will be 2x. Got it? So digit at the tens place I am taking as x because it is given in the question that digit at the unit place is double the digit at the tens place. Okay. So let the tens digit be x and units digit be 2x. Therefore, what is the original two-digit number? It will be 10x plus 2x. Therefore, the original two-digit number equals to 10x plus 2x, or we can say it is 12x. Understood? We can say it is 12x. This is the first condition. Now the second condition says the number exceeds the sum of the digits by 18. So what is the sum of the digits? Sum of the digits equals to x plus 2x, or we can say it is 3x. Sum of the digits is 3x. So the second condition is the number exceeds the sum of the digits by 18. So according to the question, the number means this is the original two-digit number, that is 12x exceeds the sum of the digits by 18. That means sum of the digit plus 18. Understood? The number exceeds the sum of the digits. Sum of the digit is 3x. The number exceeds the sum of the digits by 18. So it is 18 here, 3x plus 18. Now this 3x will come to this side. So 12x minus 3x equals to 18, or we can say 9x equals to 18. Therefore x is equals to 2. So we have got the value of x as 2. Now we have to find the answer. The question was we have to find the two-digit number. So we have got the value of x. So what is the tens digit? The tens digit will be 10 into 2 because x is 2. So tens digit will be x, the tens digit will be x, that is 2, and the ones digit will be 2x, that is 2 into 2, 4. So we can also put the value of x here because this is the original two-digit number, which is 2x. So we can write original two-digit number equals to 12x. In place of x I am putting 2, so it becomes 24. Okay. Now we can easily check the answer by cross-checking, by checking the condition of the question. Okay, we don't have to look for the answer at the back of the book, at the last page of the book. We can simply go for cross-checking by using the condition. We can easily find the answer. Okay, see here, let me tell you how. The question was the digit at the tens place is double, the digit at the unit place is double the digit at the tens place. See our answer. The answer is 24. The digit at the unit place is 4 and the digit at the tens place is 2. So we can say that the digit at the unit place is double the digit at the tens place. Understood? So the first condition is matching. Second condition says that the number exceeds the sum of the digit by 18. Now the number is 24. The number is 24. Okay. And what is the sum of the digits? The sum of the digit is 2 plus 4, that is 6. Now if you subtract 6 from 24, how much we are getting? 18. So we can say that the number is 16 more than the sum of the digit. This is the sum of the digits, 6, and the number is 24. So here we have got the second condition, that the number exceeds the sum of the digit by 18. So our second condition is also correct. Okay. So in this way we can solve the problem simply by using the technique what I have used here in this question. We can solve any type of sum. So in the next session I will solve some little bit critical sum. Little bit critical, not so very hard, because in class 8 standard the sums are like this type only. We don't have to bother about very hard sums. We'll do those hard sums in the higher classes. Okay. So let us finish the class today. Hope you have understood the whole thing, and I hope you will be able to do the sum again if I give you to do this, and try to practice all these types of sum. So some more sums are also there in your textbook. Try to do those sum, and let us meet in the next class. Goodbye and have a nice day.